Okay, so today's topic is to fight against iron deficiency, and welcome to our Spotify Sunday Nutrition Darbar. And that is the tagline that we have given for our program. Every Sunday, we conduct this half an hour session to increase awareness about various aspects of nutrition. And let us see how today's session goes. Kindly give if you have any queries or if you have any questions in your mind, you can definitely ask those questions in the chat box, or you can speak up in between, and let us see how it goes. And things goes quite cordially this time. So today we will start with the same angle of balanced diet. We'll try to see what are the trends happening in the anemia and the iron deficiency area, and why eradicating iron deficiency is very, very important, and what is the RDA for iron and the gut health. So coming back to balanced diet is extremely important, you see, because as we say that when you are you need a proper balance to bicycle your cycle, or you need a proper balance to ride a motorbike, because if there is any issues in your proportion of various important components in the diet, then your health is going to fall over. So what we say that around 50 to 60% of your calories in a day should come from the carbohydrate, 15% of the total calories should come from protein, and 20 to 30% should come from the fat that you're eating. And we need around 2000 kilocalories. Every adult need around 2000 kilocalories per day. And definitely it is very important to understand that age, gender, and physiological status, as well as our physical activity, is an important aspect, which is very important from what type of proportion that we need to take. So coming back to the anemia, this is a figure that we see. It is very shocking to see that almost 50% of the India is quite anemic. And this is a figure that was published in 2018. And we see that Telangana, Karnataka, everywhere the percentage of anemic level is quite high. And Punjab tops up. And in 2018, it was shown that the level of anemia rise in Punjab, which is mainly the cereal eating belt, is quite high. And you know, this is the way when the women are anemic, this is the way the blood is being transfused into them. And this is it is not that comfortable to see this picture, but this is the harsh reality of India. Now, coming back to the trends that we are seeing. So what we have done is we have put 5 keywords in Google Trend and wanted to see what people are searching in Google and in internet. So what we see that the main thing is the 23rd March, around 23rd March 2020, the lockdown started in India last year. So during that phase, what we see that people are searching the word fatigue quite a lot. Okay, and then there is a dip in the words like the blue and the yellow line, that's the anemia and hemoglobin during the lockdown period. I don't know why they stopped searching for anemia and hemoglobin. Maybe they were searching for COVID-19 at that time. But if you see, the iron deficiency search is quite stable. And the lowest out of all this is people are not searching iron supplement in Google and YouTube. And this shows that people they don't know the value of supplementing iron into the diet as a food supplement, or they don't believe in that iron is a important aspect as a food supplement. Because if iron was not a concern, then 50% of the India would not have been anemic. I'll show you one of the example that we see. In this, what we also see that the green line, that is the fatigue, is being searched by almost everywhere in India, and maybe parts of Bihar and the northeast side, people are searching for hemoglobin. So, and also there is some states are there like Himachal Pradesh who are searching for anemia. So it gives quite a understanding that people will search something in the internet for which they want some answers. They will not search anything randomly in their pleasure. So something is causing some issues across India. Okay. Now, let us take an example of Telangana. So, our startup, which is currently based in Whitefield, Bangalore, India, we are also trying to understand what are the nutritional issues across different states of India, not just Karnataka, but let's say taking the example of Telangana. So, what we see here, that the first table is the children table, where it shows that almost 70% of India is anemic. The children in Telangana is anemic. Okay, and these are the figures of NFHS 5, which is the National Health Survey, which was recently published. It is compared against the last national survey, which happened 5 years ago. So at that time, 61% of the children were anemic, but now it is showing that almost 70% of the surveyed group was anemic, the children. Coming to the women, it is stable in the range of 15 to 49 years of age, women, 58 to 57. But to be frank, this figure is extremely high. It's almost like 60% of the women in their adulthood, so they are anemic. And if you go to the teenage level, almost 65% of the girls today are anemic. So this is a very, very big figure. Okay. Coming to the men, the males they have relatively less anemic, but this is not a good sign even for the men as well, where we see that there is an increase in the teenage level anemic in Telangana. Now, so what is anemia? So anemia is a condition in which you lack enough healthy red blood cell to carry adequate oxygen to the body's tissue. So basically your blood carries oxygen throughout the body tissue to different organs and all. And if there is a less amount of iron, then the oxygen level in your blood will be low. As a result, different organs, different tissues may not get proper supply of the oxygen. Okay? So very important that we boost up our iron intake. And unlike some other issues which cannot be avoidable, but this anemia definitely it can be avoidable as long it is not a genetic disorder. Like so there are 5 different types of anemia, and few of them are genetic angle, like sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, while the others can be what we say, it can be improved through different dietary things, like vitamin deficiency anemia. This is the lack of healthy RBCs, that's the red blood cell, due to the lower than the normal amount of certain vitamins like vitamin B9, like folic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin C. So if you have less this amount of vitamins, which are special vitamins like B12, vitamin C, and vitamin B9, then there is a great chance that you will be anemic. Okay, so what are the symptoms? Like, so you have to understand your symptoms much better than even your doctor. Okay, because unless you understand your own symptoms, you will not be able to tell your doctor what are the issues you are facing. Like, do you have fatigue? Do you have shortness of breath, dizziness, pale or yellow skin, or irregular heartbeat, weight loss, numbness, or tingling in your hands, frequent? And then is there a muscle weakness? Is there a personality change totally? Or is there a unsteady movement? That means you are not able to walk in a proper manner. Or do you have frequent mental confusion or forgetfulness? So sometimes we say, na, अरे मैं भूल गया, कुछ बोलने वाला था मैं भूल गया. Suddenly your memory goes off. It may be because of iron, plus also maybe it is a possibility that your body requires more amount of omega-3 fatty acids. So which is very important. Okay, so we'll come to this, but another thing that is very important for us to know is the absorption part. Okay, now when we say iron deficiency है, so iron deficiency होता क्या है? But उससे पहले हमें ये जानना है कि iron is of 2 types. One is the heme iron and another is the non-heme iron. Heme iron, which is directly absorbed in the body and which has a higher absorption percentage as compared to the non-heme, is because it is from the animal source. So animal source iron is readily absorbed, while the plant source iron is not that readily absorbed But if you do some modulation in your diet, definitely the plant source iron can also be absorbed and it can be enhanced. It may not be as at par with the heme, but definitely it will be much better. Okay, so we'll come to that. So this is slightly more technical side, but these are the thumb rules, because here we are talking to our general public, to our general people around our society. So I didn't want it to make it too complicated, but these are the base things that I feel that everyone should know. What it shows that the bioavailability of the iron is very important as compared to how much iron we are intaking, whether through the pills, whether through the diet. Okay, and most of the iron is absorbed in the duodenum. Okay, in case of pregnancy in women, 7% is absorbed in the first trimester, 36% in the second, 66% in the third, and it again decreases postpartum after the delivery. So it shows that there is a definite increase in the absorption pattern during the pregnancy, but again it decreases. This is the normal way of iron absorption. If there is a if it is in the second trimester, if it is less than 36%, then your baby is at risk. So it is important that the mother and the child both should be, and mother and the fetus need to be at a very good condition. Not just iron, definitely today's topic is about iron, but definitely the other part of the nutrition like protein, fiber, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals are also very important. Another thing there is, as we know that our stomach pH, that is the acidity level, is very high. The pH of the stomach is very low. Okay, and it need to be low. If your acidity of the stomach is low, then the pH is high, and that will lead to various other intestinal growth just after the stomach area. So it is important that we maintain the acidic level of our stomach. In case of the non-heme protein, where the iron is being stored, the absorption is limited to duodenum, as I've said to you. Then the ferric and the ferrous, that is the Fe3 plus and the Fe2 plus ions, are important to understand. So Fe3 plus tends to complex with the salt with anion and asks for a low pH, while Fe2 plus is being soluble up to the higher pH of 8. So these have two different absorption patterns. Now, how can you prevent anemia? The main thing is the healthy diet. Second is you can take multivitamins in consultation with doctors, nutritionists, and dietitians. Then if you're a smoker, you should quit immediately. Or if you're not a smoker, then you should not start, because smoking interferes with the absorption of various nutrients as well as iron absorption. Second, if you are drinking alcohol, then drink in a moderation, if at all. And I'll recommend don't drink at all, because it will hamper with the vitamin absorption. Now, coming back to the first part, in case, like I said, there are anemia which are related to vitamin deficiency. So in case of the folic acid, you can get a lot of folic acid from green leafy vegetable, GLV, then nuts, rice, then gluten-free flours, then fruits and fruit juices. While vitamin B12 is very important, and definitely in India, people are suffering from vitamin B12 deficiencies as well. And you can get it from most of the non-veg food, while you can also get it from egg and milk. And in case of the vitamin C, definitely the citrus fruit like amla, lemon juice, or the lemon shikanji, orange juice, broccoli, strawberry, green pepper, tomato, all these things are very important. Okay, so please try to take and improve your vitamin deficiency if you have a vitamin deficiency, and it will in turn help in better absorption of the iron. Now we are all in the COVID-19, and this is the nutrition advice from the for the adults by WHO, that a balanced diet is extremely important in this pandemic. Are we adhering to it? I don't think so. So we have to understand why we are not adhering, what are the lacuna in our habits, and we need to improve it. We also have to understand that the world, which is being crippled by coronavirus, COVID, SARS-2, COVID-19, we already have a lot of coronavirus in our environment and all, and out of that, 7 are known to affect humans. 4 are already a human coronavirus, which may call mild symptoms other than the COVID-19 and the MERS and the SARS-CoV-1. So nutshell, what I wanted to say is we already have coronavirus in our gut area, and many of them are at harmony or being suppressed by better microbes in our gut. So if there is any dysbiosis, if there is any imbalance in your gut, definitely the negative microbes will flourish, and that will create a lot of health issues. And I think that today, even the first world countries who has the better purchasing power, who has the better medical facility, they are also succumbing to this corona pandemic, is because most of them, their gut is at the compromised level. As the result, they are not able to fight against this COVID-19. And COVID-19 and iron, unlike bacteria, virus do not need iron to survive. That is very important. Okay, so virus need a specific host to survive, and the infected host need iron to replicate the virus. And in case of the ferritin, which is a unique iron binding protein, it may play an important role as a component of a COVID-19 vaccine delivery system. So that means people who are anemic, and if they are given the vaccine for the COVID-19, there may be chance that the iron, due to the iron deficiency, the vaccine potency may be decreased. So this is a very logical statement that we have seen from the scientific fraternity. Okay, so there is no question, no doubt. Please boost your iron. Along with the iron, you should also focus on zinc and vitamin C in this pandemic time. Now, in a South Indian cuisine, these are the delicious dishes that we are enjoying. And I've been in South India for last 13 years, 3 years in Chennai and 11 years around in Bangalore. And I love these dishes because it brings different diversity. And many of them are fermented, like in case of the idli and dosa, which are food. These actually, it may not have that much of iron, the idli and the dosa batter, but definitely as these are fermented food, due to the fermentation, the bioavailability of whatever iron is there is enhanced. So that is very important to know. Also, we need to understand is, through our idli and dosa, are we taking enough amount of protein? Are we taking enough amount of minerals and carbohydrate? And these are the nutritional profile of the batter, and when you cook it to idli or roast it to the dosa. So these are some of the things we need to understand about the overall angle. Okay. And protein definitely is an important component in our body because that's a building block. So don't just think कि iron ले लिया सब हो गया. नहीं, आपको overall balanced diet लेना है. Okay. Now coming back to what is the recommended dietary iron for us is it's quite interesting to note that females need more iron than males, because obviously during the periods you lose a lot of blood, and as a result your iron is also decreased. So in order to replenish that iron which you lose through the monthly periods, so you need to increase the iron level. And in the RDA it is being segregated. If you see, men's are only segregated into sedentary, moderate exercise and the heavy exercise angle, while women are being segregated in various other ways, like being a pregnant or not, lactation or not. Then in case of the boys and girls, you see that the girls at the age of 16 to 18, they need very high amount of iron, like 32 milligrams per day. And unless you replenish it, then the next day, again, the iron level is decreased. So it's very important. Iron is a lifeline, I feel. And obviously, if your gut is not well balanced, if it is not in a healthy shape, none of the minerals are going to absorb in properly. Even if how much iron you take, how much supplements and everything you take, unless your gut is proper, these minerals are not going to absorb, and also it will not help in production of short chain fatty acids. Like in case of the fiber being eaten by the gut microbes, and it produces short chain fatty acid, and the short chain fatty acid helps in killing the cancerous cell in our body. So everything is correlated. It's almost like a harmony. It's like an orchestra. Your body is an orchestra. If something goes off in the orchestra, you see not a melodious song. So same thing, if any of your body organs are malfunctioning, अगर आपका पेट ठीक नहीं है, तो problem है आपके health के angle से. Okay. So as you know that today maybe we in the urban area are in this state, but we have to also remember children who are going to Anganwadi and all, they are less fortunate than our children. And even worse is some of those who are not even able to go to the Anganwadi area, and they are the poorest of the poor. So if you have purchasing power, if you are conscious about your diet, at least you should work towards it and get better food. And so the figure that I have shown in the previous slide regarding Telangana, it is a mixture. It's of the rural as well as urban. It's not that only rural areas figure is 50% people are anemic. No, in urban area also people are anemic, and being anemic is not a good thing. It's not a chalta hai thing. It's not like, you cannot take it casually. Okay, so this is the main take home message from my side. Stay well informed and be conscious about the food that you pick, because there is no food in the world which is 100% balanced. Okay, some will have some nutrients, some will have less of some nutrient. Okay, so if there had been a gold sample of a food, people would be eating that in the morning, dinner and lunch. But there is no food which is having 100% all the nutrients in correct proportion. So we need to manage our food and diet in a proper way. Don't be casual. As I said, don't be casual about your anemia. It's not a good thing. Be on a balanced nutrition diet and focus on your gut health. आपका पेट बहुत important है. पेट आपका second brain है, तो उसे एकदम ठीक रखिए. And please focus on the dietary iron. And definitely we are manufacturing this Spotify gluten-free atta without any wheat or barley, and it definitely helps in the gut microbiome population through, and it is also rich in iron. It is having more than 64% of your RDA iron. Okay, so yeah, thanks from my side. So I now stop sharing screen, and you can ask me some questions, whatever you like, and I'll try to answer you. We have around 9 minutes to go.
So yeah, I think I'll go.
Kalpita, why iron deficiency is more common in women than in men? I've told you, Kalpita, that one of the major issues is obviously the menstrual, and where you lose blood. And the second is the genetic profile of a male and a female is quite different. So there is a less absorption also in females. So it is very important that the other parameters like hormonal parameters also need to be in a proper way. Like you should not be also PCOS and other issues that is mainly prevalent in the female. So iron deficiency is all about absorption pattern. If you don't have a good absorption, then whatever amount of iron you take, it will go through your body. Yeah.
So if someone is a patient of celiac, so do that person will have this problem of iron absorption?
Yes, definitely. Because in case of a celiac, you know what is happening in today, many gluten-free products in the market is quite devoid of a wholesome nutrition. In case of protein, minerals, fibers, etc. So if once there is not enough good proportion of the nutrition, a balanced diet, then the absorption also decreases for the celiac patients, for the minerals, not just iron, but also vitamins and other minerals as well. So to answer to your question, definitely there can be a iron deficiency in the celiac patient. And people have to be conscious, whether you are celiac or not celiac, you have to be conscious, because people who are celiac, they are anyways conscious about their diet. But those people who are not yet diagnosed with the celiac disease, they are at the highest risk because they don't take their health in a very conscious way. Any other question?
Yeah. So I mean, in regular, regular life and the daily routine that we have, what can we include in our diet as a regular, as a normal part of the plate, which can help us in, a good iron intake as such? What options we can actually include it in our diet? Should it be supplement or a gluten-free atta, or what do you suggest overall? Like, a regular kind of thing which is easy to implement in our charts probably.
So I think that at least people who are attending the Zoom, definitely they are attending, you are attending because you are conscious about your diet. And I don't think anyone will be taking their diet in a very compromised manner. What is happening is our diet is, the understanding of the nutrition science is not there to the general public. Like, I'm a food scientist with 20 years in the industry, with 14 years in various sectors and all. for me, I don't know the C++ language, which an IT guy will definitely know. I don't know how to make a mobile app. IT guy will definitely, those who are into that sector, they will definitely know. So this is a nutrition. So nutrition is not what is called kitchen cooking. Nutrition is to understand what to have a proper mix, which are the nutrients, what are the effects, and how to work on that aspect, how to work on food diet nutrition. So definitely, to answer to your question, one of the important way what I feel is having also supplementing your food with food supplements. And not all food supplements in today's market is of great quality. It's of organic quality and all. For me, I take Nutrilite, some of the food supplements of Nutrilite, and you can contact me later to understand which other food supplement can benefit you. Definitely, I take iron folic also, which is very important. I'll recommend people to take the iron folic Nutrilite supplement, especially if the ladies, it's very important. And because unless we supplement what is lacking in our diet with this type of food supplement, our things are not going to improve. Because in normal food, it's more of the packaged food. It's more of the taste which matters to the market, not the nutrition. Okay, people, even if they are very working on the nutrition aspect, still the taste really matters. Because if something is not that tasty, you will not buy. So the industry tends to give more focus on the taste and the packaging and all, rather than the core nutritional science. So we as a startup, as an agri health food startup, we are definitely trying to focus 100% on the nutrition and also give a very good taste in our food products. So gluten-free diet will also help you in the iron absorption angle. You can try it for 3 months, and then if it does not work, you can go back to your old regime. But if it works, then definitely you have to think for further diagnosis and get your doctor, ask them to check for the celiac disease, which is a very easy blood test. And then if you get something, then you can again go for a further confirmation through a biopsy. But people with a gluten allergy or any type of allergy, they should be conscious about what are the issues happening in their body. Okay. Any other question? We have 3 minutes.
Yes, I have two questions. First is, if someone has iron deficiency, let us suppose there is one female who has iron deficiency. If she is conceiving and giving birth to a child, do that child will also have this iron deficiency, because it is like kind of genetic, like एक से दूसरे को भी हो सकता है ऐसा, because it is like a blood relations? Is it
so
kind
in case of the genetic disorder, like I have 5 different types of anemia. Not all anemia are hereditary. Okay, that means it is linked to gene. Okay, like vitamin deficiency anemia are not hereditary. Maybe what we have also seen from the research of different studies, that child with a cesarean, like a child born with a cesarean, are having a lesser health quotient as compared to child with a normal delivery, because there the child passes through the vaginal canal. That's the birth canal that we say, and during the passing, all the microbiota, all the microbes, good microbes, get encoded on the child in a normal delivery. But in case of C-section, this aspect is not there, and that's why people with C-section, the children with C-section, are having a slightly lesser health quotient than a normal child. So I hope I have answered your question. Anyone else?
Yes, I got it. Yeah,